I love to make rosemary focaccia bread, and it never fails to come out perfectly soft and fresh using the Ninja Foodi SmartLid's Steam Crisp technology. This allows me to cook the bread with steam and convection at the same time, allowing the dough to rise and also giving me that crusty exterior with the chewy interior that I love. To get started, pour a 1/4 cup of water into the pot. Then place the parchment paper in the bottom of the Cook and Crisp basket and spray with cooking spray. Take 1 package of store-bought pizza dough, form it into a ball, and place it into the pot. The next step is to proof your bread. Do so by selecting Proof. Set the temperature to 95 degrees Fahrenheit and set the time to 30 minutes. Press Start Stop and the dough will begin the rising process. Proofing allows for the perfect environment for your dough to rise. Proofing and baking in one pot makes baking bread foolproof and so easy. After 30 minutes, the rise will be complete. Remove the basket from the pot, deflate the dough by gently pressing on it, then spread it with your fingertips into the bottom of the basket. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon olive oil and sprinkle with rosemary, salt, and pepper to give it great flavor. Return the basket to the pot. Close the lid and move the slider to Steam Crisp. Select Steam and Crisp, set the temperature to 335 degrees Fahrenheit, and set the time to 25 minutes. Then press Start Stop to begin baking your bread. When cooking is complete, the surface of the focaccia will be crusty and brown like this. Remove from the basket, top with Parmesan cheese, and let cool for 5 minutes, then you're ready to serve. To find this recipe and more meal inspiration, head to ninjakitchen.com.